Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make dark chocolate truffles and some milk chocolate truffles. So we have chocolate. So we have a milk chocolate and a 72% cacao chocolate. And we're gonna make truffles from these two chocolate. These are pound plus chocolate bars. And basically what we'll do is we will melt this and we will mix it with whipping cream and butter. And then we get to flavor it with whatever flavors we want. So we have a few different flavors today that we're gonna work with. Yeah, we're gonna chop it too. So you're gonna just chop it up like this. So I have my handy knife that any age child can use. And we're just going to chop the chocolate into small chunks like that, okay?
Yeah.
And then if you have a regular knife, make sure when you're using a knife that is sharp like this, make sure you put your palm on the base of the knife, and then you can put the tip of the knife down and then put your palm on top of it and push down so that you can use the pressure of your palm to make the cuts like this, okay? Because this is not easy to cut. Yes, so we have all the ingredients we need for ganache, which are, we have milk chocolate chopped up into pieces, we have dark chocolate, and we have, yes, they're both chopped into pieces, and we have some whipping cream, and we have butter, okay? So for the milk chocolate, we're gonna heat up we're gonna use cream and 2 tablespoons of butter and all this milk chocolate and we're gonna use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So all of this cream, this is a 16-ounce container, okay? And then for the dark chocolate truffles, we are going to use 2 cups of whipping cream and we're gonna use 6 ounces of butter, okay? So that's what we have. These are all of our ingredients, and then we're going to pour them into these pans and let them cool. And once they're cooled, and they'll harden, and then we'll hand roll them into truffles. So you ready?
Yeah!
First step is I have to heat up my cream. So I have a pot here, and I'm going to turn it on, and I'm gonna pour my cream in, okay? So this is 2 cups of cream, and I'm gonna do the milk and the dark at the same time. So I'm heating up my cream, and I want to heat the cream until it starts to bubble. See, it's starting to bubble on the side, so now I'm going to stir it. This one is ready now. See how it's boiling? This is ready to take it off of the heat, and we're going to make our ganache. And we're going to mix in our chocolate.
Yum!
So you can see that the milk chocolate has become liquid, and now and you can see that this is where the dark chocolate is after we've stirred it.
Looks like a water.
Amazing!
This one ready?
6 ounces of butter into the dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, who wants to taste the ganache?
Me!
You can taste. Here's a spoon of dark, and here's a spoon of milk. Oh my god, it's amazing.
I love the light one.
Wow.
I prefer the dark one.
They're both amazing. Okay, so the first thing you need to do with ganache is you need to let it cool in order, when we're making truffles, we're gonna let it cool. So the next step is that we're going to pour this onto this tray so it can cool. And I have a tray lined with parchment paper. Okay? And I'm gonna just spread this out and let it, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge to let it cool.
That looks. So at first I was gonna make mango, but now I found out that there is pistachio, so I don't know anymore. I'm deciding which one to use. I'm doing a milk chocolate with coconut and ginger.
Almond, there's lime, orange, lemon, chai, pink salt, black salt, fig, coconut, almonds, cherries, raisins, matcha, goji berries, raspberries, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, yeah.
I decided to make mango and pistachio with some crystallized ginger and lemon peel to tie them together.
We have our hardened tray of milk chocolate ganache, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scoop some of this in my hand, just taking a spoon, and I'm going to, this is what's called hand rolling truffles. So I'm gonna hand roll it and make a ball. Okay, this is my truffle ball, and truffles melt. So I'm going to, I have some raspberry, powdered and dehydrated raspberry in a tray here, and I'm gonna coat it with raspberry. Okay, and so now I have my raspberry truffle, and I'm going to put it in this tray. We already have a few made. So we made some some ganache squares that we rolled in cocoa powder, and we made some dark chocolate truffle balls that we rolled in raspberry. We also have truffle squares that we rolled in raspberry, and then we made some milk chocolate rolled in quinoa and milk chocolate rolled in coconut. These are humongous.